Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to come up with content topics. Okay, yes, how you can come up with topics about your content, whether you want to post a YouTube video or you want to post a blog or you want to post on social media, anything at any type of content. I'm going to teach you how to come up with ideas on the topics you're going to produce content on. So make sure to watch the end. It promises to be a very educative encounter. Let's get started, guys. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel City Enterprises. I'm Dima. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. In this channel I'll teach you pretty much about trading, investing, marketing, e-commerce, and a lot when it comes to making money online. So if this kind of content is what entices you, make sure to smash the subscribe button right here and enable notifications so you get alerted whenever we drop awesome content like this. Okay, and also drop a like at the end of this video if you get value from it, so that a lot of people can also get access to this. Okay, all right, before we go ahead, now we have our ebook which we're giving out for free. Okay, here on the site is we're selling it for $10, but for those of you who watch our videos here on this channel, we're giving it out to you guys for free. Okay, now this is an ebook on digital marketing. Okay, so whether you are trying to market your NFTs, or you're trying to sell shoes online, or you're doing Amazon FB, or you're doing affiliate marketing, this ebook is for you. So make sure to get it. Okay, so sign up down below. We're going to send this ebook for you to you straight into your email for free. So let's get straight to what we have today. Now I'll be showing you how to come up with content topics. Okay, I'm going to show you how to come up with ideas for your content. Okay, guys, I'm a content creator and I must be honest with you, this is the most stressful part of these videos I produce here, including the one you're watching right now. Okay, you guys don't know a lot of brainstorming and a lot of research that comes into getting these topics. Okay, because to make the whole things more stressful, it's not as if finding the content ideas, like the topics, what you're going to produce content on, it's not as if that's stressful enough. You now have you actually finding something that people actually want. Okay, because there in most cases sometimes you actually get topics that people don't actually want. Okay, something that people are not actually looking for. You want to find something good, something that people actually want, something they are looking for. Okay, so that you're actually providing value to them. Okay, so it's not as if you're just bringing topics, you're also you're also down with the task of getting it right. Okay, getting what people want. This is one of the the most stressful stressful part of creating content. Okay, so but then I actually found a tool that helps me do this very well. So since then it hasn't been that stressful again. Okay, because I just give it what I my niche, what, like I'm in the trading, marketing and e-commerce niche. I just give it these things, and it's going to help me create get content ideas from these guys. Okay, so and that is what I'm going to show you guys here. Okay, so now this tool is SEMrush. Okay, so go down down below. I left a link to downloading this down below, so make sure to use the link to sign up below. It's free. As you can see, the account I'm using here is free, so that you guys see it for yourself. Okay, so sign up down below and get started with this. Okay, so now after creating your SEMrush account and logging in, now go over here to where you have the keyword magic tool. Okay, you see here keyword magic tool, and now it's going to get you here where I'm currently at. Okay, so now all you just need is to input, you just need one keyword. Okay, and that is your niche. Okay, so if you're in the trading niche, that's going to be trading. Okay, if you're in the beauty, or anything you want to write on, if you want to write, if you want to create a topic around forex, or you want to create a topic around beauty, or you want to create a topic around fitness, you just need one word. Okay, a niche or something like that where you're currently at. Okay, so for the sake of this this example, let's say we want to find a topic teaching people how to blog. Okay, something on blogging. Okay, so you just input the word or your niche, and then you go over here and you choose the country. Okay, so in most cases I leave it at US. Okay, the United States, unless if you want to, if you have any other region you are looking for, you can actually put that in. Okay, so US, and then now I click search. Okay, now this tool is going to help me come up with content ideas around this blogging topic. Okay, so you can see it. So let's say we are looking for something like buy books. Okay, let's say we're selling ebooks, buy books online, and so that we can actually sell books to them online. Yes, this is a perfect example. Now I'm going to show you the things I look at for here. Okay, now because you like I said in the beginning of this video, it's not like you're only looking for topics. Okay, you're also looking for topics that people want. Okay, because you are not creating this thing for only you to watch or for only you to read or for only you to consume. Okay, you're actually looking for something that people want. That's one. And something that is easy for them to find. Okay, that's two things. We'll call it the volume, something with volume and something with low competition. These are the very two parameters we're looking at. Okay, so and that's the most important thing we're looking at for here. So now we have our topics. Okay, fine and good, but we want something. Okay, something that fits what we're looking for. Now as a young content creator, someone that is starting out, okay, I recommend you go with lower keyword difficulty topics. Okay, so now this KD means keyword difficult, so and it is ranked from 0 to 100. Okay, so now I recommend you go for lower distance because you don't want to be swimming out there with the sharks. If you get in there with the sharks, you'll be eaten. Okay, so you want something within your circle of competence so that you can get your feet into the water, and then when you start growing big, you can go for the big things. Okay, and in as much as we're also looking for something that has lower keyword difficulty, we don't also want to sacrifice our volume. Remember, volume is important. We need something that people actually want, something that people are actually searching for, so that when they search for our content, we are there. Okay, so the closer these things balance out, the lesser the keyword difficulty and the higher the volume, the better. In fact, find a balance between keyword difficulty and the volume. So the keyword difficulty is reducing, the volume is increasing. That's the perfect scenario. Okay, first things first. Now, because volume is the most important thing, now we click this, and this is going to arrange our volume in decreasing order. That's from highest to lowest. Okay, so now we start looking for this. Now you can see the first one has 4,400 average monthly search. Okay, so each of these digits represent how many people are searching for this on average every month, and it has 100% keyword difficulty. That means this topic is very, very hard. Okay, a lot of big guns are actually using it. It's not ideally what we're looking for. So I'll keep going lower and lower. Ideally I'm looking for something, although I might not find it, but I just have to tell you what you're looking for. Ideally you're looking for something that has 1,000 average monthly searches and above, and a keyword difficulty of let's say less than 50 or even 30. 30 is my ideal, this thing, 30 and below, and then this should be 1,000 and above. But sometimes, just like every other thing in life, you might not find the perfect this thing, especially if you're a beginner and you have limited opportunities. That's why in this case I might settle for something like this, because 260 people looking for this is is still a fair number. Okay, imagine getting even if you're getting 10% of these guys looking at you, that's still something. Okay, from this topic alone, and this is monthly, remember. So it's not a horrible or terrible number. And you also have the keyword difficulty, which is definitely better than these guys. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So in this case, in this example, I'll go with this. Okay, so now you have what you're looking for. You now know that I'm creating a topic around how to buy books online that is not Amazon. Buy books online, not Amazon. This is basically the topic. Okay, now let's go back to the next stage. Now, whether you're looking to create content on, let's say, blogging content or YouTube or whatever, let's say this is a blog, I want to write a blog on this. What I'll do is to actually go online and look for what people have written on this. Okay, so you can see now I just put this, what I got on that place here in the search bar, and now I have this. Now it's giving me ideas on what to write. Now looking at this, just scrolling down, I already know what the kind of content I should be producing around this topic, and that is in this case recommending the best Amazon alternatives. That's the number one thing. And then another thing is places to buy books that are not Amazon, obviously. And then yeah, a whole lot of more other things. Okay, I can even use it to promote my store, which is another idea I'm seeing here. Look at people are using it to promote their stores and stuff like that. So another thing I could do to take it a step forward is to open this on a new tab and even look at the articles themselves. Okay, so in case if I don't even know how to write in the first place, I could get ideas on what to write from these articles themselves or even paraphrase it. Okay, I showed more on how to paraphrase articles in my content. I'm going to link that playlist. I've been teaching it for a long while now, so I'm going to link the playlist somewhere in this video. You're going to see it appear on your screen. So now I can get ideas on this, even in this case, since I'm writing Amazon, on Amazon or alternatives, I can even get the alternatives here and then write something on it myself. Okay, so that's it. So if it's Facebook, if it's social media, you go to your social media bar and search something like this and look for what other people have done. I personally believe that there's no point of reinventing the wheel. It's good to actually create something special, but I don't think at this point I don't think there's really anything that there's really much that is being done on the for the first time. Okay, whatever you're thinking now, someone has thought about it and someone has even maybe most probably done it. Okay, so it's not like you are going to be creating the wheel for the first time. You just learn what people have done and do it better. That is how we make the world a better place. Okay, so it's not mostly trying to do everything from the scratch all over again. Okay, so if you're creating content for YouTube, you can look for this on the YouTube bar and you search, and YouTube is going to give you this topic around this. Okay, you can see the kind of videos people are creating for this. Okay, that's pretty basic stuff. And also remember what I said, you have to do it on an incognito tab. Okay, so that your cache and your cookies don't actually mess things up. Remember the kind of content you receive, you see on your dashboard or on your home feed is based on what you have been using in the past. So you don't want to use a normal browser. Just open an incognito mode and look for this, so that it actually looks like you're a stranger looking for this, and it's going to give you the best articles based on that topic. So with that, you can now start creating content. You now have your content topics with you. So you have seen how this tool has narrowed everything down to you and giving you what you're looking for. Believe me, if you're to do this yourself, you might spend like 1 week even coming up with this. Okay, especially if you're a perfectionist. Okay, so that's why I actually love this tool, and this is the tool I use for generating almost all the content I did, including this one. This video you're watching, this is where I got the topics of this for this video, and this is the same process I use. Okay, so that's it. I teach what I use so that it can actually work out for you too. So that's it for this video, guys. I believe you've learned a lot, especially for my for my fellow content creators out there. So if you really learned a lot from this video, I really appreciate it if you go over and like this video down below, smash the like button. It actually helps YouTube recommend this video to a lot more people. And if this kind of content actually is what entices you, because I know it's what's going to entice you, because a lot of us want to actually thrive online. We either want to market our business or learn how to trade or make money online. You are at the right place. So make sure to subscribe so that you can join the family and stay in touch with our videos. You guys who watch my videos all the way to the end, I really appreciate you guys a lot. It means a lot to me. That's why I make out time to thank you guys in all my videos, guys, because I really appreciate it. So please keep doing it, and keep inviting your friends to join the family. We actually want to give you guys value here. And also remember to get the ebook we talked about for free, especially if you want to market your business. If you want to market your business online, this ebook is your guide. Okay, it has whether SEO, social media marketing, content marketing ideas, email marketing, paid ads. Guys, get this ebook, is for free. Don't miss out on that. I also have a digital marketing kit down in the description below. Okay, so now get that kit. It has everything a digital marketer will need, both SEO checklist, social media marketing calendar, content calendar, a lot of things, guys. So just get it. It's at a discount price and you can use it to market your business and that of your clients. Okay, so make sure to get that. I'm going to see you in the next video, guys. As usual, stay safe. Peace.